You just turned 60 and airlines are hiding something from you. A 67-year-old paid $85 in baggage fees last month, fees she didn't owe. Another senior waited 48 minutes in a security line when she could have walked straight through, and a retired couple missed priority boarding they qualified for simply because no one told them it existed. Listen, you followed every rule your whole life, but here's what airports won't tell you. The moment you turned 60, a hidden door opens. Free services priority, access baggage, allowances seat, upgrades all written into airline policy yet buried where you'll never find them. Did you know that airports are legally required to provide free wheelchairs and electric cart service to seniors even if they don't have mobility issues? Most travelers over 60 have no idea about the incredible rights and services they're entitled to when flying. And airports definitely aren't advertising these perks. Today I'm exposing 7 forgotten senior travel rights that could transform your next airport experience from stressful to seamless. Before we dive into these game-changing rights, let me ask you something. How many times have you watched an elderly passenger struggle with heavy bags while airport staff walked right past them? Or seen seniors standing in endless security lines when they could have skipped ahead? The truth is, the aviation industry has specific regulations designed to make travel easier for older adults, but they're keeping these benefits surprisingly quiet. The first right that will blow your mind is priority boarding assistance. Most people think priority boarding is just for first-class passengers or airline credit card holders, but here's what they don't tell you. Passengers 65 and older are entitled to priority boarding on virtually every major airline, regardless of ticket class. This isn't just a courtesy, it's a mandated service under federal accessibility guidelines. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't even need to prove your age at the gate. Simply inform the gate agent that you're requesting senior boarding assistance, and they're required to accommodate you. This means you board before general passengers, giving you time to settle in without the chaos of crowded aisles. The best part? Your travel companions can board with you under family boarding policies, even if they're younger. Now let's talk about something that could save you serious money. Senior passengers have the right to request special assistance with carry-on baggage. This service extends beyond just lifting bags into overhead bins. Airport personnel are required to help seniors navigate through terminals with their luggage, even if it means providing a cart or escort service. Here's the kicker that most travelers miss. If you're traveling with bags that exceed standard carry-on weight limits, seniors can often negotiate fee waivers by explaining that the extra weight consists of necessary medications or medical equipment. Airlines have discretionary policies that allow gate agents to waive these fees for older passengers, but you have to know to ask for this accommodation. The third right involves security screening, and this one is absolutely crucial. Passengers over 75 are automatically eligible for TSA pre-check benefits, even without enrolling in the program. This means shorter lines, keeping shoes on, and leaving laptops and bags. But here's what's even more remarkable. Seniors can request additional security accommodations, including private screenings and alternative screening methods if standard procedures cause discomfort. Many older travelers don't realize they can request to sit during security screening or ask for assistance removing shoes and belts. TSA agents are trained to provide these accommodations, but they often won't offer them proactively. The key is speaking up and clearly stating what assistance you need. Moving on to something that could literally be life-saving. Senior passengers have the right to priority medical assistance and can request to be seated near medical equipment or flight attendants. Airlines are required to accommodate seating requests from passengers who might need quick access to medical attention during flight. This extends to medication storage as well. Seniors can request refrigerated storage for temperature-sensitive medications, and flight attendants must assist with accessing medications during flight if needed. Most importantly, if you have a medical emergency at 30,000 feet, airlines are legally obligated to divert flights for senior passengers experiencing serious health issues. The fifth right deals with airport navigation and is probably the most underutilized service available. Every major airport offers complimentary wheelchair assistance, and here's the shocking part. You don't need to have a disability or mobility impairment to request this service. Seniors can request wheelchair assistance simply because they're concerned about walking long distances or carrying bags. This service includes being pushed to your gate, assistance through security, and help boarding the aircraft. The wheelchair attendant will wait with you at your departure gate and can even help you navigate connecting flights. Most seniors don't realize this service extends to baggage claim, where attendants will help you retrieve luggage and escort you to ground transportation. Here's where things get really interesting. The sixth right involves meal accommodations that go far beyond standard dietary restrictions. Senior passengers can request special meals designed for older adults, including softer textures, lower sodium options, and smaller portions that are easier to manage. But the real secret is that airlines will often upgrade seniors to premium meal options at no extra charge if you explain that standard meals are difficult to eat or don't meet dietary needs related to age. Flight attendants are also required to provide additional assistance with opening packages, cutting food, or heating items if requested by senior passengers. The seventh and most powerful right involves flight disruptions and cancellations. When flights are delayed or canceled, seniors are entitled to priority rebooking and enhanced compensation packages. Airlines have internal policies that prioritize older passengers for alternative flights, hotel accommodations, and meal vouchers. Here's the part that could save you hundreds of dollars. If your flight is significantly delayed and you're over 65, you can request additional compensation beyond standard policies. Airlines will often provide travel vouchers, lounge access, or even cash compensation to avoid negative publicity related to senior passenger treatment. The key to accessing all these rights is confidence and persistence. Airport and airline staff are trained on these accommodations, but they're not incentivized to advertise them. You need to clearly state what assistance you need and reference your rights as a senior passenger. One crucial tip that experienced senior travelers swear by is arriving at the airport extra early and immediately seeking out a customer service representative. Explain that you're a senior passenger and ask about available accommodations. Most representatives will provide a comprehensive list of services once they understand you're informed about your rights. Another insider strategy is downloading airline apps and updating your passenger profile to indicate senior status. This flags your reservation for special assistance and often results in automatic upgrades or accommodations without having to request them at the airport. Remember that these rights apply to both domestic and international travel, though specific services may vary by country. When traveling internationally, research senior passenger rights in your destination country, as many offer even more generous accommodations than United States regulations require. The airline industry profits from passengers not knowing their rights, especially seniors who might be less likely to advocate for themselves. But armed with this knowledge, your next travel experience can be dramatically different. Don't let another flight pass by without taking advantage of these incredible benefits. Share this information with senior travelers in your life, because everyone deserves to travel with dignity and comfort. If this video helped you discover rights you didn't know existed, hit that like button and subscribe for more insider travel secrets that airlines don't want you to know. Your next adventure should be about the destination, not surviving the journey. Now you have the knowledge to make that happen.